I'm going to share with you the steps that you must take in order to successfully launch your MLO career and continue to be successful in this industry.
F*** you. Own your house, have a couple bucks in the bank, don't drink.
And I'm coming at you with over 20 years experience where I have lived this, I have coached others through it, and I have witnessed those who unfortunately started down the journey but were never able to see their career take off.
Man, I got these cheeseburgers, man.
I don't want any cheeseburgers.
Please, man.
Step number one is pretty basic. You need to go knock out the required schooling. There's a course that you're going to have to take. Now, once you've taken the class, you're just done with step one. There's an exam that you're going to have to study for and pass. And I'm going to warn you, 40+% of those that take it the first time, they don't pass. So you've taken the course, you've passed the exam. Now you're ready to start applying for career opportunities. And if you notice, I called them career opportunities. I know the people within the NMLS are going to start talking to you about sponsorship. Please know, when you become a full-blown mortgage loan originator, none of us use the word sponsorship. We're all looking for career opportunities and employers. And who you choose as your employer is as important as who you chose to help you study and pass for the exam. But once you are gainfully employed, it's like, now what? You became a mortgage loan originator more than likely because you want to take your career and your destiny into your own hands. You wanted that piece of the unlimited potential when it comes to income and earnings. But with that comes responsibility. With that comes resourcefulness. So just because you're licensed and just because you've been hired on doesn't mean you know what you're doing. And that's okay. We all need some place to start. But you are going to have to now focus on learning both the skill sets required to become a successful mortgage loan originator, as well as the technical how to properly underwrite and qualify a borrower for financing. Now, you may learn the technical skills by going to a training offered by your employer. You may reach out to a mortgage insurance company and take some of their particular trainings. You may reach out to the Mortgage Bankers Association and go through their School of Mortgage Banking. Or you may reach out to our friends over at Zenix and look into going through Ground School. Now, by doing so, this is going to teach you the technical basics, but you still don't know how to sell. You still don't know how to market. You don't know what to say, why to say it, who to target, and how to properly procure a lead. And then how do you convert that lead into an actual borrower? But if you want to level up and break through barriers and you want to go from being a good producer to a great producer, you're going to need a coach. Iron sharpens iron. You want to learn from those that too run a business at which it puts them in the top 1% of all loan originators, puts them in the top 1% of all income earners. You are a forever learner. Coaching isn't a 6-month commitment. Learning isn't a 24-month commitment. It is a lifelong career commitment. Whether it's listening to podcasts like the one we have on TLOP, whether it's joining communities like we have at TLOP Online, whether it's paying for coaching, attending conferences, reading books, you need to be an active, forever learner.